Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video I'm going to show you Facebook login error. If there is any unexpected login error occurred, please try again later. So if it is showing in device, there are some steps for it. The first step is just long press on your Facebook app and click on app info. Now in the bottom right here you will see clear data. Just click on it and clear cache at first. If clear cache isn't working, then clear all data. Now the second step is, if you find any update on Facebook, just update it immediately. Just go to Play Store and search for Facebook. Here you can see there is an update, just update it. And again, if update isn't working, you can just uninstall Facebook and reinstall again. And after that your problem may have solved. If it isn't solved yet, the next solution for it, just go to any web browser, just like a Google, and try login in Google. And after trying logging in, Facebook may need to check your identity. So for that you need to just give some of your personal information in there, and after that your problem will be solved. So guys, that's how you can solve the problem. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.